NSG 316 Topic 9. Cardiovascular and Peripheral Vascular Assessment / NSG 316. Health Assessment. The topic content addresses the techniques used for completing and correctly documenting a cardiovascular and peripheral vascular system assessment. Students will use the skills when conducting a complete assessment in all the future topics for the course. Additionally, students will obtain the necessary practice time to develop the essential skills for client interaction in the clinical setting. Course content provides students with the introductory subject matter content they must learn about cardiovascular and peripheral vascular system assessment, documentation, and reporting, and the varying assessment techniques used based on the client's developmental level, psychosocial abilities, cultural background, and environmental variations. Cardiovascular and peripheral vascular system assessment and documentation skills are practiced in the lab portion of the course. As a professional registered nurse, the ability to complete and document an accurate cardiovascular and peripheral vascular system assessment and identify findings that require further evaluation is a foundational requirement of the profession. Nurses must know how to vary assessment techniques based on clients' different developmental levels, psychosocial abilities, cultural backgrounds, and environmental variations. Assessment and documentation are skills a nurse will use every time there is contact with a client or family members. Objectives: 1. Describe techniques used to assess the cardiovascular and peripheral vascular systems. 2. Identify appropriate cardiovascular and peripheral vascular assessment techniques for clients based on age, development, and other psychosocial or environmental variables. 3. Differentiate between normal and abnormal cardiovascular and peripheral vascular assessment findings that require further evaluation. 4. Document health history and results of cardiovascular and peripheral vascular assessments in the client record utilizing documentation best practices. 5. Lab objective. Perform a cardiovascular assessment. 6. Lab objective. Perform a peripheral vascular assessment. 7. Lab objective. Demonstrate documentation skills. 7. Please contact Nursing Assignments Pro for help with NSG 316 Topic 9. Cardiovascular and Peripheral Vascular Assessment / NSG 316. Health Assessment or any other assignment. Email: nursingassignmentsprofessor@gmail.com.